You're down here on lower level to get some better views?
It was my flight after 3 hours.
Oh,
I eat and go to the airport.
yeah, okay, I got you.
That's why I don't have time to filming so much.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
And I want to try first time live stream here.
Oh, you're in the live stream?
I will try. Yeah,
Nice, that'll work.
I don't know about good or not connect. Because Wi-Fi I check now good, but more people come and
When you upload your videos, do you get music copyright shit?
yeah,
You fix that?
sometimes not really.
Okay, yeah.
So most of the video don't have monetization.
Okay, yeah. I have to take a lot of music out, overlap it or something. It's kind of a pain in the ass sometimes. Yeah.
But if I talk, maybe it's okay. But I don't talk, I walk only and Georgi walk. That's why
Yeah.
I can always, most of the videos don't have monetization. Limited or limited.
Okay. Yeah. Gotcha.
Problem.
Yeah.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to each and every
That's the
one.
game we play.
We're going to hear the scores of town. As we all know, for our third Sunday of
I'm
the
interested to see if this works. So, all right, good to see you, buddy.
Running swimsuit competitions and cultural dance shows. And without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, how about a big round of applause? And take a look with our setting Scorers collection models on their hot and sizzling bikini outfit. And ladies and gentlemen, this swimsuit competitions is a bit judging, meaning the more bids that they get, the better chances of their winning. You can buy your bids and give it to your favorite candidates from all the girls that are wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for you for 100 pesos per strand of beads and a 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. Heard that right, gentlemen? This competitions is a bit judging. So meaning to say, the more bids that they get, the more chances of their winning. Here we are, ladies and gentlemen, 11 of the most beautiful, hot, and sexiest from all over the Philippines.
Trust in your light. The stars are all melting into me tonight. There is a vacancy inside my heart. It's waiting for us to restart. If it's too late for love, then what are we still running from? If it's too late for love, then why do we still carry on?
Follow your naked eye, ladies and gentlemen, and buy them some beads. Because this competition is just for beads judging. So meaning the more bids that they get, the more chances of their winning. You can buy some beads from all the girls that wearing red shirts that roaming around the area. It only costs for 100 pesos per strand of beads and 5,000 pesos for the golden beads. you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen. Later on, we'll be having a chance to introduce them one by one on their first act. This portion is running worldwide. Townhouse Bar and Global Atlantis open from Tuesday to Sunday. Gentlemen, party started at exactly 6 p.m. all quarters. Located at the Fields Walking Street, we're gonna go into the city. To the city's corporate hotel, ladies and gentlemen, performing live on the center stage. Please welcome Global Atlantis Supreme Showgirls.